Hello, Kristen. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing and just delivering on my promise to get you a screencast with the top 3 things that you can do for your business and your company to beat out your competition. So I took a look at Colorado Optimal Health North. I see that you also have this site here, which is the original location in Denver out west. So I'm talk about 3 things today for you though. Number one thing that Google really looks at much more than people realize is content, pure content. So if I look at the front page here, your homepage, I did a word count in here, and this homepage has got 335 words. So if we want this site to rank, the first thing we have to do is add over 1,500 words of content. And if I were going to do it, I would suggest that you take all of these, and turn them into paragraphs that describe what each one of those conditions are. So just a suggestion there. So 1,500 words or more on your homepage. That's the number one thing that you can do that actually is most important to outrank your competition. The number 2 thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. I'll get to those in just a sec. And then the other one is citations. Citation is simply the name of your business, the phone number, the address, and usually also the website address, and how many times that information specifically appears on the internet across many platforms. So those would be citations. So let's talk about backlinks. So I took Colorado Optimal Health North and put it into a special tool that I have here. And this is called Ahrefs. And this tool takes a look at everything in the website. And so I took this and put it in here, and you can see this is essentially your popularity, and this is your influence. And so your UR and your DR come up as popularity and influence. So right now you have 152 backlinks from 26 referring domains. And essentially, let me change this here. You do have keywords, but I think there's only 5 of them. And those just, this is Colorado Optimal Health. Sorry, this is the main page, has a lot of keywords. But the new one for the North only has 2 organic keywords. So you can see 33 backlinks from 14 referring domains, 2 keywords. Take a look at the primary location, quite a bit different. 615 backlinks, 67 referring domains, and then your keywords play into this too. So obviously, even if we're just comparing this site, the parent site, to the North, we have quite a few backlinks and keywords and that kind of thing to add. So what I did was I went and did a search. It looks to me like your 2 primary services that you guys offer are weight loss and liposuction. So I went and I did first a search liposuction Denver to see where you guys were ranking. You're actually on the 2nd page of the Google organic search. So I took the top 3, which would be Denver liposuction. I'll just run through them here for you. So the first one I found was this Sonobello. So Sonobello is in the 1 or 2 position, depending upon how you do your search. They obviously, I want you to take a look here and look at the content on here. So they probably have about twice as much content. That's Sonobello. And then if we take a quick look here also, another big one, this is in the number 1 position, is Millard Plastic Surgery. Please take a look at this content here because they have got over 1,500 words on their homepage. It's one of the reasons that they're in the top position. So that's Millard. We'll take a look at them in the tool here. And then also, of course, Denver Liposuction. Take a look at their content. They have some pictures, but also look how much actual text content they have. So that's your primary competition. I have one more here. Oh, that's right. So those are the three: Sonobello, Millard, plastic surgery, and then Denver liposuction. So if we take Denver liposuction, put it into the tool to kind of do a comparison, here's what they're looking like for the liposuction section. So quite a bit different on the domain ratings, organic keywords, etc. I actually pared this down specifically for the liposuction. So if we take it, look at the same thing for Millard plastic surgery, they only have 2 backlinks, but they have 275 organic keywords and all of their content. And this is Sonobello. Kind of crazy. They're primarily in the first position because of this. They have less content than the other two, but you can see their backlinks are just out of control, and their keywords also. So those are the 3 things that you can do for your websites right now, is to first add content, then start adding backlinks, and also then create citations, which is an ongoing thing that pretty much needs to be done monthly. But those are the top 3 things you can do to improve your website and outrank your competition. Feel free to use any and all of these to help yourself. If you would like help with those, feel free to give us a call, 720-561-1800. Pleasure looking at your business.